I analyzed files, automated tasks, and built web apps using just one tool. This is Marky Agent inside Easy-Peasy AI, which can analyze files, automate tasks, browse the web, write code, and even build web applications from a single workspace. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it to research and improve your productivity. You'll find links to all the exclusive discount links in the description below. Head over to Easy-Peasy AI and open Marky Agent from the left sidebar. Next, choose your preferred language model by clicking the LLM option at the top. For this tutorial, I'll use Claude Opus 4.8 as it's well suited for complex reasoning and high-effort tasks. To analyze files, click Add Files and upload the file you'd like Marky to analyze. For this example, let's upload a PDF containing a video script. Once it's uploaded, ask Marky to analyze the document. Within seconds, it generates a detailed breakdown, highlighting the script's strengths, identifying weaknesses, and suggesting practical improvements. Now let's try an image. Click the plus icon again and upload a PNG file. You'll notice the previous PDF is still attached to the conversation, allowing Marky to reference it whenever needed without uploading it again. Since we want to analyze only the image, simply remove the previous file, upload the PNG, and ask Marky to examine it. Marky will analyze the entire image, explain what it detects, and even recommend ways to improve or refine it. The same workflow works for many different file types, making Marky useful for analyzing documents, images, and much more. Now, let's move on to task automation. To get started, open a new chat, click the plus icon, and select the automation skill. Marky will ask what you'd like to automate and even suggest a few common workflows. I want to stay updated with the latest AI news every morning without having to search for it yourself. So I'll enter my request and Marky will begin setting up the automation. It will ask a few follow-up questions, such as when you want the summary delivered and how detailed the research should be. Once everything is configured, Marky schedules the task, generates a preview of the output, and lets you refine it before it starts running. You can manage all of your automations by opening Scheduled Tasks from the top left corner. Here, you'll see every active task along with its current status. If you ever want to modify one, click the three-dot menu and choose Edit. You can update details such as the task name, prompt, schedule, expiration date, and other settings before saving your changes. Automation isn't limited to research either. You can also use Marky to generate recurring content, such as blog posts or social media updates. In this example, we'll ask it to create an automated publishing workflow. Marky will ask a few additional questions, including your website type, content length, and preferred niche, so it can tailor the workflow to your needs. Since I haven't connected a website yet, Marky suggests creating one first. That brings us to the next step. Building web apps with Marky. Start a new chat and explain your idea in plain English. For this example, I'll ask Marky to build a productivity app inspired by Notion, but with a much simpler and more flexible workflow. As soon as you send the prompt, Marky begins planning the project by asking a few follow-up questions about the app's purpose, features, and overall direction. Once you've answered them, Marky starts generating the application automatically. Depending on the complexity of your project, this may take a few minutes. When it's ready, you'll see a live preview on the right, where you can explore the interface and test the features. You can also switch between desktop and mobile views using the toggle in the top right corner. Marky also provides a preview link, allowing you to interact with the app directly in your browser. If something doesn't work or you'd like to add new features, simply tell Marky what you want to change. There's no need to start over. It can iterate on the existing app, fix bugs, and expand the functionality through natural conversation. For this project, I asked Marky to fix a few issues, add more Notion-inspired features, include a calendar view, and create a journal section. After a few iterations, the app became fully functional. It lets you create tasks, organize them with drag and drop, assign moods, open detailed task views, receive mood-based task suggestions, and capture journal entries with automatic timestamps. Once you're happy with the result, click Publish in the top right corner, and within a few minutes, Marky generates a permanent link that you can share or use immediately. Easy-Peasy AI offers a free plan, but to unlock Marky Agent's full capabilities, you'll need at least the starter plan. Check out the discount link in the description for the current pricing. Overall, Marky Agent inside Easy-Peasy AI is a powerful all-in-one AI workspace for anyone who wants to analyze files, automate repetitive tasks, and build web applications without juggling multiple tools. So try it out using the exclusive discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.